Hi, I'm Bharti. Welcome to the Edu Bulletin. Let's dive into today's educational news. CBSE directs affiliated schools to implement Supreme Court mandated mental health framework with biannual training for teaching and non-teaching staff by certified mental health professionals, launches one-day CBPs on promoting mental health and wellness and social emotional learning, urges schools to nominate teachers and staff for the following CBPs offered, mandates parent sensitization, annual wellness reporting, career counseling, and expanded co-curricular focus to reduce academic pressure. Refer official circular for more details. CBSE Class 12 Physics Board Exam 2026 held today receives positive feedback as well balanced and moderately challenging, featuring calculation-intensive MCQs, conceptual assertion reason questions, analytical 5-mark numericals, NCERT-aligned case-based and higher-order thinking skills questions, with experts praising syllabus coverage while students call it lengthy but scoring with strong time management. Minister of State for Skill Development and Entrepreneurship urges every enterprise to build AI teams and upskill workforce at the India AI Impact Summit 2026, calls it the best time for youth to skill up as PM unveils the Manav Vision. Tata Group and OpenAI announce a 100 megawatts AI infrastructure partnership scalable to 1 gigawatt. Bharatjan Param 2 and Servam AI launch new large language models. India AI Impact Expo extended to 21st February. 11 Class 10 students of Educrest International School, Sector 9B Gurugram, barred from appearing in CBSE Maths Board exam after school allegedly operated without valid affiliation beyond Class 8 and failed to issue admit cards. Sector 9A Police register FIR against Chairman, Principal, Vice Principal, and Coordinator under relevant sections of the BNS. While school maintains affiliation was recently granted and parents were informed of alternate exam arrangements. NCERT releases January 2026 issue of the Indian Journal of Educational Technology digitally via CIET, NCERT, Flipbook and PDF editions now available, scholars invited to contribute articles and research papers. Adobe announces free access to Firefly, Photoshop, and Acrobat AI tools for Indian students at the India AI Impact Summit 2026 via accredited institutions, covering 15,000 schools and 500 colleges under the Budget 2026 push, partners with NASSCOM Future Skills Prime to offer curriculum, training, and industry certifications. Thanks for watching. For all the latest updates, stay tuned with the Edu Bulletin. Save the number 721-707-0100 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp to receive daily educational news and updates.